Hi guys, this is Khadija speaking from our craft attic. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make these cute and easy stickers. So the things you will need are plain white paper, transparent tape of any size. You will need a double-sided tape, which is our main ingredient. Any kind of markers to decorate your sticker with. So let's begin. First of all, you have to take your paper and you have to start drawing the sticker which you need. I am going to draw a Baymax sticker as I have done sketch here. If you're not good at drawing, then you can just print out your desired image. Now once you're done, you have to take your transparent tape and paste it on your drawing because it will give your sticker a shiny look and protect it from getting dirty. Now you have to take your double-sided tape and paste it on the back side of your paper. Next, you have to cut your sticker. Well guys, this is the final look of my sticker. If you're looking for some cute ideas for your sticker, then you can just copy these stickers which I recently made. You can paste these stickers in your desired places by just separating it from the paper of your double-sided tape. I hope you guys enjoyed my video and learned a lot. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like my video and comment in the section below. Bye!